Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming basics so the connection works reliably. Make sure the HomePod Mini is powered and on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. This lets AirPlay route audio. Next, update HomePod firmware and the PC's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi drivers so protocols match. Open your PC's sound settings and enable network discovery or Bluetooth. Once done, install any required AirPlay receiver or UPnP/AirPlay app on the PC. That software bridges Apple's protocol to Windows. Now you'll make the actual connection. Launch the AirPlay receiver app on your PC and select HomePod Mini from the available devices. AirPlay usually provides higher quality and lower latency. If you prefer Bluetooth, go to Windows Settings, right arrow Devices, right arrow Add Bluetooth Device, and choose HomePod Mini. Pairing can take 10-20 seconds. After pairing or connecting, return to Sound Settings and set HomePod Mini as the default playback device so all system audio routes there automatically. Finish by verifying real use. Play music and system sounds to confirm audio streams without dropouts. Adjust volume and audio quality in your receiver app because some apps trade latency for fidelity. If you hear lag or disconnects, restart the HomePod and PC, make sure both rejoin the exact same Wi-Fi SSID, and repair Bluetooth if needed. As a fallback, use a wired temporary speaker or USB audio interface. If the receiver app shows codecs or latency settings, tweak them to match your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.